Hey guys, my name is Prasant Parki. I'm a graduate student from University of Houston, working in Dr. Orman's lab. We work with microbes, mostly bacteria. So for today's experiment, we wanted to show you how to culture bacteria using agar plates. Agar plates are nutrient source for bacteria. It's like food that we eat, like pizzas. All of them give you carbon sources and glucose. That's where bacteria get their energy from. You can get these agar plates from um, any commercial store or maybe even order online from Amazon. For this experiment, you will need again an agar plate, some tape, some aluminum foil, and scissors. So everyone tells us that when you drop your food on the floor, you should not pick it up and eat it. It's not healthy. Today we want to show you why is that so. We have two gummy bears here. One that came straight out of the packet, and this one was dropped on the floor. So, in order to culture the bacteria that are in these gummy bears, we're first gonna take our agar plate, take our gummy bear, and gently streak the agar plate. After streaking, we're gonna close the agar plate. We're gonna get a tape, and we're gonna seal our agar plate. Like so. Then we're gonna take our aluminum foil and cover our agar plate with it. Now we're gonna let it chill for 2 weeks. And after 2 weeks, we're gonna check how much bacteria was able to grow in this culture plate. I'll do the same thing with our gummy bear that was dropped on the floor. Now we're gonna let both of these guys chill for 2 weeks, and then we're gonna compare where, in which plate the bacteria grew more. So it has been 2 weeks. Let's check on the plates. This is the plate that we streaked with gummy bear that came straight out of the package. You can see very minimal bacteria is growing there. And this is the plate that was streaked with gummy bear that was dropped on the floor. You can see there are a lot of bacteria growing there, and some of them can be very harmful for our health.
Hi guys, this is Syed. I'm also the member of Dr. Mehmet Orman's lab. So today I'm going to show you the difference between two oranges that one was refrigerated in a refrigerator for a couple of days and another was outside for a couple of days. So to do that, we will first streak the refrigerated one in agar plate. Then we will streak the orange that was outside for a couple of days. Then we will tape it. Then we will put them in aluminum foil. Put them in a dry place for next 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks we will compare these two agar plates to see which one has more microbial growth. And please make sure to label these plates with your. After 2 weeks of incubation, this is the plate that was streaked with orange that was refrigerated, and this is the plate that was streaked with non-refrigerated orange. So as you can see, there is very little growth of bacteria, and here a lot of bacteria. So from this we can see that refrigeration helps preserving foods.
Hello everyone, I'd like to introduce you to Winnie. She is our 4-month-old Jack Russell Terrier. She loves going outside, she loves to play fetch, just running around. Today we're going to use this agar plate to see how much bacteria Winnie has on her paws. So we're going to take the agar plate and let Winnie rub her paw in the agar plate. Then we're just going to take this agar plate, tape it, cover it with aluminum foil and incubate for 2 weeks. And then we're going to come back and see how much bacteria has grown.
Now we are going to show you how to dispose this agar plate once bacteria grows on it. To do so, you need a bleach solution, aluminum foil, and a tape. So first, you add bleach solution on the plate, then wait for 30 minutes. After that, you should use a tape to wrap it nicely and cover it with an aluminum foil. Then you can throw it to the trash bag.